Samsung is getting ready for a big moment in the folding space, and the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the phone that will lead the way. The company has announced that its Summer Unpacked event will happen in New York on July 9th. This is where the Z Fold 7, the Galaxy Z Flip 7, and the new Z Flip FE will all be shown for the first time. Before the launch, there have been a lot of renders and leaks that give us a good look at the new products. Everything, from the look to how the camera is set up to where the buttons are placed and more. But there's one change that's been getting a lot of attention lately. If you remember the rough camera rings that came on phones, like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy S25, they were meant to give the phones a unique look. But many users didn't like them because they thought they made the design look cheap. This is according to a new post by Ice Universe. Samsung heard that input and decided at the last minute to take them off the Z Fold 7. He said that Samsung's original plan was to keep them. The rings were still on the early version, which is likely why the model in this picture has them. The final design, on the other hand, gets rid of them completely. So, the camera setup is now cleaner and more refined, more like what you'd expect from a high-end flagship. The camera lens setup is very powerful. It will likely have a main sensor with 200 megapixels, an ultra-wide sensor with 12 megapixels, and a 3x zoom sensor with 10 megapixels. When folded, it will all fit into a sleek 8.2mm body. There is a 6.5-inch cover screen and an 8.2-inch AMOLED main screen inside. Samsung is also getting rid of the selfie camera under the screen in favor of a regular hole punch, which should make photos and videos look better. To the inside, we have the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite chip, which runs One UI 8 on top of Android 16. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.